To find an old WhatsApp message from a specific date, but you're tired of scrolling forever. I'm going to show you how to instantly jump to any conversation from a chosen day, so you can easily find those old messages. The first step is to open your App Store and then simply search for the WhatsApp application. Make sure that your app is updated to the latest version in order to have this feature in your chat on the person's or the group name. And then you'll get to this info page. You want to tap on the search function, which is located at the right side of the screen. And the next step is to find this little calendar icon at the right side of the screen. And all you have to do now is to select a specific date by using this wheel. So let's say you're looking for messages that you've sent on the 24th of January. Just set that date in here and then jump to date. That will show us all of the messages from the specific date which we've selected. And that is essentially how you can find old WhatsApp messages without scrolling endlessly.